Okay, and since I have them on, I'm sure you already noticed these cute Aztec adrenaline leggings. They are so cute. So it's gonna be the same cut than our light and tight. It's the same manufacturer that makes our light and tight. So the cut is gonna be the same when it doesn't have the pockets. And it's this really fun pattern. There's like stripes and arrows and it's just really fun. The fabric is different than our light and tight. It's kind of like knitted, if that makes sense. I'm gonna turn the phone over so you can I can show you a close up of what I mean. It's not sublimated. The fabric is this way, and the inside is just that's how it looks on the inside. But it's not sublimation. It's just like I said, it's kind of like knit. But it's very breathable and it dries very fast. And I'm wearing my true to size, and I feel like it's perfect. This fabric is very stretchy and it's not going to be as compressive or light and tight. Just keep that on mind. But I don't feel like you want to size down. I feel like if you size down, it's just going to stretch out more. I don't know. This is my size too, and it fits perfect. So let me flip it around so I can show you how it looks closer. Here is a close-up of the fabric, and if you can see, it's not like a spandexy material. Obviously it has a spandex on it, but it's just very fun. It's different, and it's really cool design.